Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at some active noise cancelling headphones by OneOdio model A30. These are very kindly sent to me by the manufacturer. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick them up. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated and subscribe to watch more reviews. As you can see on the top here, 24 months warranty with these. Nothing on that side. Some information at the back here. 500 mAh battery. Charging takes around 2.5 hours. 3 usage scenarios. 15 hours with ANC and Bluetooth, 25 hours Bluetooth only, 45 hours with ANC only. That's a good feature, that, because some people don't want to turn the headphone on. They just want to have the ANC feature, like if you want it to be quiet around you. It's a good feature to have that. 10-meter range and 40mm drivers. These do have Bluetooth 5.0 as it tells you there. I have actually used these, but I've packed them back up just to show you what the unboxing experience is like. Nothing else in there. Instruction booklet. Airplane adapter. Type C cable. AUX cable. So you do have the option to listen to them wired if you don't want to listen to them wirelessly. String pouch there to carry them in. They're branded on that side. Letting you know they're 24 months warranty. At the time of recording, these are around £50 on Amazon. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Headphones do have a decent amount of stretch to them. Some branding up here, OneOdio. Well padded that. That's plastic. They're metal. It's even got guides there as well, from 5 to 25. You can adjust them the same on both sides. The cups are nice and padded as well. L on that side and R on that side. That's like a breathable material there. They fold inwards like so, if you place the headphones down like that. It's got some branding there. If you look at the right cup on this side, Type C port, that light will light up green when you've got the ANC. That's the ANC button there, so if I just turn it on, it's come on. You don't need to have the actual headphones powered on, as I mentioned before, to use the ANC feature. Nice and simple. On the left cup, you've got your controls here. 3.5mm jack there. Volume down and track forward. That's the multi-function button. So you can play, pause. To turn it on, you have to hold it down for 2 seconds. To turn it off, hold it down for 3 seconds. You can answer calls from there as well, of course, and make calls. Volume up and previous track from the plus button. That's a light indicator there to let you know what's going on. So just to turn them on. Power on. Just talk to you as well, lets you know once you've powered it on. There, that's bleeping blue now. Hold it for a few seconds. Power on. It goes red and it'll go off. So the main thing, how do they sound? Good actually for the price. For some reason, they sound better with ANC on rather than it off. I've had these headphones on for a while and they're comfortable. They don't cause any problems to my ears or my head. They've been absolutely perfect. Battery life has been okay. When I first got them, I charged them fully. It was under 2 hours because of course there was some charging them and I'm still using them. But I listen to them like an hour here a day, 2 hours here, and they've been working fine. Taking calls, making calls, no issues there again. It's been perfect. ANC, now one thing to bear in mind, ANC will not get rid of every single sound. It's for like if the washing machine's on or the kettle's boiling or you're in a car with the engine running, it'll sort of dampen them sounds. It won't totally get rid of the sound around you. But for me, that's okay because of course they're only £50 and for that, you really can't go wrong with the price. Bluetooth range is really good as well. I've had them on and I've been testing them, like going room to room. Bluetooth's been perfect. They've got really good bass to them as well. They're not overly bassed, but they're okay. And mids and highs are there as well. For me, I think they're a decent pair of headphones at the price. Of course, they're not the best I've heard, but then again, they're not the most expensive ones I've ever used as well. So keeping the price in consideration, for the price, you can't go wrong with these headphones. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.